Imagine living in a world where robots are not just machines, but intelligent assistants that help you manage your workload, organize your tasks, and even learn new skills. All thanks to advanced AI models unveiled by Alibaba. This is the future we're living in, and it's happening right now. Chinese authorities have been pushing the development of artificial intelligence and robotics to become a dominant force in the global economy. As a result, Alibaba, one of China's leading tech giants, has recently unveiled a series of AI models designed specifically for robots. This move marks a significant shift in China's focus from traditional manufacturing to creating intelligent agents that can assist humans in various tasks. The AI models unveiled by Alibaba are designed to enable robots to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and make decisions autonomously. This means that robots equipped with these models can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple household chores